Hello everyone, welcome to Vidikya Explained series. Topic for today's discussion is SARC. So what is SARC? SARC is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. This is a grouping of 8 countries. So you can see this: Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives. So these are the 8 countries which are part of SARC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Myanmar is not in SARC. Myanmar not in SARC. Myanmar is part of ASEAN. We have discussed ASEAN also earlier. So it was established in the year 1985 with a SARC charter in Dhaka, established in Dhaka. Dhaka in the 1985. And ASEAN was established in the year 1967. Now, Afghanistan became the newest member of SARC at the 13th annual summit in 2005. So earlier there were 7, now 8th one was Afghanistan. That was the latest in the year 2005. The headquarters and secretariat of association are at Kathmandu, Nepal. So headquarters is located in Nepal, in Kathmandu in Nepal. Together, the SARC countries consist 21% of world population, 3% of world area, and around 4% of global economy. Now, importance of SARC. SARC comprise around 3% of world's area, 21% of world population, and around 4% of global economy. It is world's most densely populated region, and polluted also, and one of the most fertile because of the Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Indus region. With Indus river basin, this is one of the most fertile region also. SARC countries have common. Since SARC countries have common tradition, dress, food, culture, political aspect, thereby synergizing their action. Since they have common tradition, culture, therefore this becomes an important grouping. However, there is not much regional cooperation, much cooperation in these grouping because of the dispute between India and Pakistan. All the SARC countries have also, apart from they share common tradition, culture, they also share common problems like poverty, illiteracy, malnutrition, natural disaster, internal conflict, industrial technological backwardness, low GDP, and poor socioeconomic. So they share similar cultural values, tradition, and all. At the same time, they also share the similar problems. However, despite the framework SARC provides for cooperation among South Asian nations, it has remained sidelined and dormant since it had remained dormant since its 18th annual summit in 2014. Since then, no SARC meeting took place because in 2016, India cancelled attendance at the last planned SARC summit in Islamabad in 2016 after the Uri attacks. So last summit took place in 2014. So since then, there is no SARC summit took place. So this was the last summit. So you have to remember. SARC has some specialized body. One is South Asian University, which is located in India. South Asian Regional Standard Organization, SARSO in Dhaka. SARC Development Fund in Bhutan. And SARC Arbitration Council in Pakistan. So these are the 4 specialized body you have to remember. That SARC University in India, Standard Organization Bhutan, Standard Organization in Nepal, Afghanistan, that is Dhaka. Not sorry, Afghanistan. It is in Bangladesh. It is in Bangladesh. So here I mentioned Bangladesh. So South Asian University in India, Standard Organization in Bangladesh, and then Development Fund in Bhutan and Arbitration Council in Pakistan. So now we'll discuss 5 questions. Question number 1, SARC has how many countries? Your options are 5, 6, 7, 8. The correct option is 8 countries. Question number 2, when was SARC established? Your option 1967, 1975, 1985, 1987. The correct option is 1980. Sorry, this is not the correct. The correct option is 1985. Question number 3, the headquarters of SARC is located in which country? Your option are India, Nepal, Bhutan, none of the above. Correct option is Nepal, that is in Kathmandu. Question number 4, SARC University is located in which country? India, Nepal, Pakistan, Bhutan. The correct option is India. It's in New Delhi. Question number 5, which country joined the SARC grouping in the last? Your option India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal. Correct option is Afghanistan in 2005. So that's all for this session. Stay logical with Vidikya, your best pal in CLAT preps.